Now I would like to explain experiment number 7 to implement Kruskal's algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree of a graph. First we import java.util, then we use the public static void main string, and we into the number of vertices, we give number of vertices as integer, then we use scanner cop j equal to new scanner system.in, then we use output system output, then we print in the number of vertices in the graph and the number of edges in the input graph, then we initialize the number of edges equal to scope j dot next int, then we use number initialize vertices equals to new initialize the number of vertices, then we system dot out dot println and enter the vertices row wise, then we using for loop int I equal to 0 and I less than number of vertices I plus plus, then vertices of I equal to scope j dot next int, then we initialize two dimension array equals to new int number of vertices into number of vertices, then initialize array equals to new int 3 integer 3 number of edges, then initialize k equal to 0 integer k equal to 0 for while we using for loop int I equal to 0 I less than number of vertices I plus plus, then we use again for loop I j equal to 0 j less than number of vertices j plus plus, if I less than 0 we use system dot print out dot println and enter the weight of edge plus vertices of I plus y1 vertices plus vertices of j, then we use integer entry equal to scope j dot next int, then two dimensional array I of j equals to entry two dimensional array j into I equal to entry, if two dimensional array I into j equals to 0, then array of 0 of k equals to two dimensional array I of j, if array I into k, then I into 10 plus j k plus 1 equal to k plus equals to 1, then we sorting the two dimensional using bubble sort in 0 n into 2, for using for loop I int I equal to 0 int I less than number of edges equals to I plus plus, now again we using for loop int j equal to 1, then j less than number of edges equals to 1 j plus plus, again we use the same method, if array equal to 0 into 0 j minus 1 greater than array of 0 into j, then swapping in the first row integer temp equal to array of 0 into j minus 1 into array of j equal to 0 equal into j minus 1 equals to array of j 0 into j, array of 0 into j equals to temp, then swapping in the second row into temp 2 equals to array of 1 into j minus 1, array of 1 into j minus 1 equals to array of 1 into j, array of 1 into j equal to temp 2, then we using for loop int I equal to 0 I less than 3 I plus plus, for again we use for loop I into j equals to 0 j less than number of edges j plus plus, system dot out, then print the statement system dot out dot print array of I and j plus, then system dot out dot println equal to mst cost into a equal to array of 1 into 0 integer first digit equal to a by 10 integer second digit equal to a percentage by 10, system dot out println and first digit plus second digit plus array of 0 0, then integer sam equal to new int number of edges into 3, then we using san 0 into 0 equal first digit and 0 into 1 equal to second digit, then integer starting vertex equal to first digit into recent vertex equal to second digit, for for loop int I equal to 1, I less than number of edges I plus plan int first equals to -1, second equal to -1, int division equal to array of 1 into I. If division by 10 less than 1, first equal to 0, second equal to array of 1 into I, san I into 0 equals to first, san I into 1 equal to second. Else if division by 10 is greater than or equal to 1, first equal to division by 10, second equal to division percentage 10, san I into 0 equal to first, san I into 1 equal to second. Then we using for loop into b equal to b less than number of edges b plus plus into q equal to b into p equal to b into u equal to 0 into current vertex san q into 1, and then we initialize looped san q into 0 by using while loop q is greater than 0 into s equal to 0 if current vertex equal to san q minus 1 into 0 and current vertex I equal to 0, san q minus 1 into I or san q minus 1 into 2 equals to 1, s plus equal to 1 if current vertex equal to san q minus 1 into 0 and san q minus 1 equal to 2 thereby equal to 0, current vertex san 1 q minus 1 equal to 1 if current vertex equal to looped u minus 1 equal to, then we use break san q minus 1 into 2 that equals to -1 q minus equal to if then we use else statement if current vertex equal to else if statement current vertex san q minus 1 into 1 and san q minus 1 into 2 equals to 0, current vertex equal to san q minus 1 if the current vertex is equals to looped u minus 1 and we use break then san q minus 1 into 2 equals to -q equal to p if s equals to 1 for q equals to q minus equals to 1 for int I equal to 0 for while loop I equal to 0, I less than number of edges I plus plus san I into 2 equals to 0 if u equals to 0 system the print ln then san equals to print array of 0p and it stops the program and we give output is enter of vertices in the graph we give 7, then it will give number of edges equals to 9, vertices row wise equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, then weight on the edge 0 to 1 is 28, 0 to 2 equals to 0, 0 to 3 equals to 0, 4 equal to 0, 0 to 5 equal to 10, 0 to 6 equal to 0, 0 1 to 2 16, 1 to 3 0, 1 to 4 0, 1 to 5 0, 1 to 6 0, 2 to 3 1 to 6 equal to 14, 2 to 3 equal to 12, 2 to 4 0, 2 to 5 0, 2 to 6 0, 3 to 4 22, 3 to 5 0, 3 to 6 18, 4 to 5 equal 25, 4 to 6 equal 24, then 5 to 6 equal 0, then it will 10 20 14 10 12 14 16 18 22 24 25 28 5 23 16 12 36 34 46 45 1, then 0 mst equal to 0 to 5 equal to cost is 10, 2 greater than 3 12, 1 greater than 6 14, 1 greater than 2 16, 3 greater than 4 equal to 22, then 4 greater than 5 equal to 25, hence proved.